How to attract money? For that, we need to train our brain. You know, the richest people in the world are the ones who train their brains to make money. So, how do you train your brain to make money? Just think, when you take a photo with a camera, if the object you want to highlight appears blurred and you cannot focus, you do not press the button to take the photo. You definitely make the focus. Exactly when you focus, you press the button. This is also important when it comes to attracting money. To attract anything, not just money, you must first have a clear goal. Relevant factors for attracting money are: number 1, you need to have a clear goal of how much money you need. You know that you will not be able to reach your destination if you do not know where you are going at the beginning of the journey. That way, you should have a clear goal of your amount of money. For example, you should have a monthly income of 500,000 in 2 more months. You need to see that clear goal. How do you get to your destination? Do you ride a bicycle? Do you take the bus? Or take the train? Choose your mode of transportation according to your destination. As such, you should see a definite value of your monthly income in another 6 months. That's when you start looking for a way to make money. It's like choosing whether you will travel to your destination by regular bus or bicycle. Number 2, visualization. Any successful man in the world has used the visualization for success. Every goal is based on visualization. Airplanes, televisions, rockets are all built based on their visualization. So you need to have a clear goal of the amount of money you want and visualize it. You just think, many people in this world are under the pressure of not having money, and they are worried without seeing the fact of making money. Have you ever seen lazy, unplanned, sad people have money? No. So who has the money? Money is in the hands of people who are enthusiastic, wake up in the morning, work confidently, and plan their own things. A lot of people think about what they don't have when visualizing money attraction. Go ahead and enjoy that feeling that you have the money you need right now. That is the secret of attraction. Happiness is definitely important. Only when you are happy in the moment will you be tempted to do something. If you are sad, you will not be tempted to do anything. Therefore, visualization is essential in attracting money. It should be visualized while enjoying the pleasure you have now. It is very important. Number 3, creating a vision board. The things you need to get, stick the pictures on a board and place it where you can see it, especially in front of your bed or in a place where you can always see it. On this vision board, paste a picture of the vehicle you want, or if you want a house, paste a picture of a beautiful house and things like that. Seeing this often and being happy with the thought that they already have it gives you a positive energy to work for it. Number 4, take the necessary steps to reach your goal. Everyone wants to get rich. Everyone wants to have a lot of money. But many are just wishing for this, no action. They want to get rich, but they do not see what the monthly income should be. So as I told you first, you need to have a clear goal about the amount of money you need. If you see the destination, visualize it, set up the vision board, and then take action. This is where you start planning other income streams as you work. You will be tempted to search for the information needed for that. If you do these things correctly, you can reach your financial goal. If you only dream, it is only a dream. Exactly implement these 4 points, you are sure to attract money.